Hello students, welcome to the channel and you are watching the Ultimate English Teacher and Lecturer. Students, in this video I will discuss about the question answer of the poem The North Ship by Philip Larkin, Class 9, Chapter 1. Thinking about the text, answer this question in a few words or a couple of sentences each. Question 1. How old are Murgy and Tommy? Answer. Murgy is 11 and Tommy is 13 years old. Question 2. What did Margie write in her diary? Answer. Margie write in her diary, "Today Tommy found a real book." Question 3. Had Margie ever seen a book before? Answer. No. Margie had never seen a book before. Question 4. What things about the book did she find strange? Answer. The things about the book that she found strange were: 1. The pages of the book were yellow and crinkly. 2. The words stood still instead of moving. 3. When they turned back to the previous page, it still had the same words on it that it had when they first read it. Question 5. What do you think a tell book is? Answer. I think the tell book must be a book that gets displayed on the screen of the television. Question 6. Where was Murgy's school? Did she have any classmates? Answer. Murgy's school was next to her bedroom. No, she did not have any classmates. Question 7. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Answer. Margie and Tommy learned geography, history and arithmetic. 2. Answer the following with reference to the story. Question 1. I wouldn't throw it away. 1. Who says these words? 2. What does it refer to? And 3. What is it being compared with by the speaker? Answer. 1. Tommy says these words. 2. It refers to the books. 3. The paperback book is being compared with the tally books by the speaker. Question 2. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. 1. Who does they refer to? 2. What does regular mean here? And 3. What is it contrasted with? Answer. 1. They refer to the students centuries ago. 2. Regular means the usual for the people in 2157. Here, regular teacher means the mechanical teacher. 3. The mechanical teacher is contrasted with humans as teachers of earlier times. 3. Answer each these questions in a short paragraph, about 30 words. Question 1. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Answer. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. The mechanical teachers had big screens on which all the lessons were shown and questions were asked. The children were taught through the computers and television screens. They did not have humans as teachers. Question 2. Why did Murgy's mother send for the county inspector? Answer. Murgy's mother sent for the county inspector because the mechanical teacher of Murgy was not functioning properly. It kept giving Murgy geography tests and Murgy was performing errors every time. Murgy's mother was concerned and thus sent for the county inspector. Question 3. What did he do? Answer. The county inspector smiled at Murgy and gave her an apple. He took the mechanical teacher apart from her. Then he fixed the mechanical teacher. He told Murgy's mother that the geography sector of the mechanical teacher was geared a little too quick and that he has slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Question 4. Why was Murgy doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Answer. Murgy was doing badly in geography because the questions that were displayed on the screen of the mechanical teacher were too quick for her age. The county inspector slowed its speed to an average 10-year level so that Murgy would be able to perform satisfactorily. Question 5. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Answer. Tommy's teacher had to be taken away altogether for a month as the history sector had blanked out completely. Question 6. Did Murgy have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Answer. Yes, Murgy had regular days and hours for school because Murgy's mother believed that little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. Question 7. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Answer. Tommy says that the old kind of school had special buildings. All the kids went to that building for study. Question 8. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? Answer. He tells Murgy that the old kind of teachers were humans instead of machines. The human teacher would educate the boys and girls and give them homework and ask questions. Question 4. Answer each of these questions in 2 or 3 paragraphs, 100 to 150 words. Question 1. What are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the schoolrooms that Murgy and Tommy have in the story? Answer. The main features of the mechanical teacher that Murgy and Tommy have are: the mechanical teachers have big black screen on which lessons are displayed and questions are asked. The students need to put their homework and test papers in a slot that is present in the mechanical teacher. The students write answers in punch code and the mechanical teacher calculates the results right away. Main features of the schoolrooms that Murgy and Tommy have are: in the story, the schools are there in the homes. For instance, Murgy's school was right next to her bedroom. The students do not have classmates. They study subjects like arithmetics, history, geography, etc. The mechanical teacher would turn on at the same time every day except on the weekends. Question 2. Why did Murgy hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Answer. Murgy hated school because she felt it boring. The mechanical teacher started the class at the same time regularly. Murgy's mechanical teacher was giving her test after test on geography and she was performing badly. Murgy also did not like inserting homework and test papers in the slot on the mechanical teacher. She thought that the old kind of school must have been fun because it would have had kids from various places of the neighborhood. It would have been so interesting to sit together in the classroom and leave the school together at the end of the day. All the kids learned the same thing so they could help each other in studies and homework. Question 3. Do you agree with Murgy that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reasons for your answer. Answer. Yes, I agree with the Murgy that schools today are more fun than the schools in the story. In the story, the schools are in the students' homes. This gives no space for interaction between students. Studying from screen and taking up tests sounds boring. Inserting homework and test papers in a slot on a mechanical teacher's every day is monotonous. Writing answers in a punch course is even more draining. Learning together in a class gives students a wider view of people. Students also get familiar with others and learn how to interact and socialize. Getting taught by human teachers is way more dynamic than being taught by a machine. If there is any issue with any lessons or concept, the students can ask the human teacher then and there. But mechanical teachers are programmed with a certain lessons and concept for a particular day. During the time when the student solves homework, he/she can get help from classmates. That's how the schools today are more fun than the schools in the story. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.